Hey guys, it's Max Van over at Sportbike Track Gear, and today I'm here to talk to you about the all-new Racer Multitour Waterproof Glove. Alright, so the all-new Multitour glove retails for $139.99, which is a fair price to its competitors out there. And let's jump into sizing. There's a lot of sizes available for this glove, all the way from extra small up to 3XL, so you guys with normal sized hands like myself, baby hands, and also big old mitts, you're going to be just fine. Right now, I am wearing a size large, and it fits me perfect. Racer gloves, we have an awesome accurate size chart that varies across all of our models. I wear a large in the high per. These fit the same, no room in the fingers. The palm doesn't really bunch up at all. So I would say definitely a true to size fitting glove. So let's talk about my favorite features and probably what you're intrigued about. If you see here, this glove does offer a rollkin, which is basically a BOA system, towards the end of the ulna here. So how it works, basically, pop that up. Pull on the cuff a little bit, that allows it to loosen itself, then snap back down, crank clockwise, and you can get a secure fit whether you want it underneath the jacket or over the jacket. And this just kind of gives you that safe feel just in case if anything happens the glove isn't coming off. And also there is a closure strap right below the hand. That's usually the main one for me. I try to keep this one as tight as possible, and then the BOA system, or the one below, I try to keep a little looser just for mobility around the handlebars. So this glove, again, waterproof. It offers a Hydroshield membrane, which is basically breathable and waterproof at the same time. So I would say this glove will probably work well for you guys out there. Varying maybe below 60 and a little bit above freezing, I would say if you're riding a snowmobile, don't buy this fucking thing. Yeah, and also has a touchscreen compatible pointer finger, which works great across all cell phones, I'm going to say. I don't know if Samsung and Apple can be a little bit different. I have an Apple. I've got a coworker with an Android. I've tried both. They are phenomenal. Glove has a goatskin palm, which is durable, and it gives you kind of a similar feel to, let's say, a kangaroo palm. It's a little thinner. It's also reinforced here for grip and less pressure on the handlebars over time, and also a Kevlar reinforced palm. So again, waterproof gloves, so you guys out there riding in, I can't really say the colder weather, but 30 to 60 degrees, this is going to work well for you. I'd say anything above 60, unfortunately, your hands are going to start to sweat. It's about 70 degrees in this room. I am sweating profusely through this thing. But yeah, overall, this thing is absolutely awesome. If you guys have any questions, just drop them in the comments or give us a call at Sportbike Track Gear, 888-784-4327. You can email me. There's Max at Racer Gloves USA. There's Max Van at sportbiketrackgear.com. Overall, I'm a huge fan of these multi-tour gloves. They're going to work great across all the market. Probably one of my favorite waterproofs on the market right now. Thank you guys. Again, if you have any questions, just contact us, and we'll see you in the next one.